Imagine this. You're being chased. The predator is 10 times your size, faster, stronger, and hungrier. What do? If you're human, you scream and pray. But if you're nature, you get creative. Evolution has no purpose, no master plan. But after 3.8 billion years of trial and error, it has produced survival mechanisms so bizarre that if you wrote them down, nobody would believe they're real. To survive, you don't need to be strong. You just need to be weird enough. Winter hits. Temperature drops to -20 degrees Celsius. The North American box turtle does something else entirely. It lets its own body freeze solid. Not hibernation, not slowing down. Frozen, literally, like a block of ice. Heart stops. Blood stops. Brain goes dark. By every medical measure, the turtle is dead. Then spring comes, snow melts, and the turtle walks out. The secret? Its body floods cells with glucose, acting as a kind of biological antifreeze. Water freezes between the cells, but inside each one, everything stays intact. So evolution invented cryonics 450 million years before humans thought of it. You're a small lizard in the Arizona desert. A coyote just found you. Run? Too slow. Bite? Too weak. Play dead? The coyote doesn't care. So what do? You shoot blood out of your own eyes. Not a joke. The horned lizard can spike the blood pressure around its eyeballs so violently that the vessels burst, launching a jet of blood up to 1.5 meters. That blood contains chemicals that are deeply repulsive to coyotes and foxes. They drop the lizard immediately. The lizard loses around 30% of its blood volume each time. But it lives. This is the only animal on Earth that turns its own eyes into a weapon. The Sahara, 50 degrees Celsius. No rainfall for decades. A plant called Selaginella lepidophylla, known as the resurrection plant, looks completely dead. Rolled up tight, dusty brown, dry as paper. You drop in water. Within hours, it's green again. Alive again. It genuinely lost 95% of its water content and survived. Its cells contract, wrapping DNA and proteins into a kind of biological standby mode, like a living zip file. When water arrives, unzip. Revival. This plant can remain in its dry dead state for decades, then spring back like nothing happened. If you want to see the closest thing to immortality in nature, you're looking at it. But the mimic octopus, Thamoctopus mimicus, doesn't just change color. It changes its shape and behavior to impersonate up to 15 different species. When it spots a small predatory fish, it extends 6 arms, tucks 2 back, and undulates like a venomous lionfish. When it encounters a damselfish, it morphs into the damselfish's natural predator. The mimic octopus doesn't have a particularly large brain, yet it is real-time, selecting a specific disguise based on the specific threat in front of it. That's not instinct. That's strategy. Freezing solid, shooting blood from their eyes, dying and coming back, acting their way out of death. None of these were designed. Nobody planned any of it. Just millions of years of trial and error. And the individuals weird enough, in the right way, at the right time survived.